Guys, good morning, welcome to the channel to get some sun with Paz. And today we're in Tenerife and we're off to Siam Park. Let's get in the taxi and get there. Let's go. So it's going on for about 10:30 in the morning and the park's already manic. It's very, very busy. Guys, here's the play area for the kids with some climbing frames and mini water slides and some sun lounges for the adults to get some sun. Walking around the park looks very, very beautiful. There's lots of nice flowers and plants and that growing. This is the Thai cafe. It's one of the only smoking areas in the entire park. There's not many of them. Here you can buy your coffee and your tea, some beverages. There's beer, cold beer, there's snacks, crisps, and there's a few sandwiches. Right guys, come on, let's go and have a ride on the lazy river. Guys, if it's getting a little bit too hot for you, there are little places like this dotted throughout the park where you can sit and relax in the shade. Heading back towards the entrance of the park, you get all your usual souvenir shops, snack shops, coffee shops, etc. Guys, that's our trip to Siam Park done for today. Now we're going to head off and try and get a taxi back to the hotel. It's fantastic though, I can't recommend it anymore, to be honest with you. The rides are absolutely superb. That river rapid, brilliant. So anyway, let's see if we get a taxi now. See how hard it is to get a taxi. There's buses here already on way. So these are for all the guys that got here on the bus. You can take one of these buses back to your hotel, but we're going to try and get a taxi. Right guys, we're just leaving the park now. We can't get a taxi unfortunately, so we're on the open top bus. That means we're going to get some views along the way back to the hotel. Let's have a look. So guys, we've just figured out if you're on an open top bus in Tenerife, you tend to get whacked around the monster there, palm tree or two. Keep your head down. Guys, that's the end of the video. That was the bus back from Siam Park. Hopefully you enjoyed the view from the top. We'll see you on the next adventures. See you for now. Bye.